Oh, guys, my grandma's saying hi, and it's so beautiful. Guys, today we are in the Lost Woods. Let's get out of here. Well, let's go check this out. Whoa! Look at that tree. It looks like Slender Man. So beautiful. Guys, today we are going to be having some fun. So beautiful. So beautiful. Guys, it is so beautiful. Look. Oh my goodness.
I can't get up because I got too much weight.
Well, you can stay right there forever, Grandma. See ya.
Well, thank you very much.
Video of you just saying happy, okay? Guys, can you believe this? You guys probably can't see it. Right now, we are in summer. Super fun. Guys, right now, we are going across these rocks. Right now, guys, look. Whoa. Guys! Do you see what's happening? This is why you be careful. Guys, my grandma is coming across.
I did it.
Okay, she did it. Okay, Grandma. Okay, Grandma. Did you do good? Yes, you did.
I do good.
You did really good.
Very good. Thank you.
She did super good, guys. I have to take a video of
We're
this.
going to have lunch in the most wonderful place ever.
I have to take a video of this real quick.
Okay.
This is what I want to see. Guys, this is a waterfall. Grandma, are you catching this? Wow. Oh my goodness. Guys, you have to see that. Grandma, you're a slowpoke. You're not going as fast as me. Dun. Be careful for tarantulas, snakes. Do not watch this video if you're afraid. Okay, guys, we're going to Cerno's campsite. Let's go. That's the campsite. No, I can make pictures and I can make videos. I'm making a video right now. Come on. Grandma, come on, else you will not know though. Come on, come faster, Grandma. Head over to this site. Isn't that really cool? Oh, yeah. It's pretty cool out here. Well, see you guys.